In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Wix Dashboard. Whether you're a seasoned web designer or a complete beginner, understanding how to effectively navigate the Wix Dashboard can greatly enhance your web development experience. So let's dive right in. First, start by opening your preferred web browser, Chrome, Firefox, Safari, whatever you prefer. In the search bar, type wix.com login and hit enter. This will take you to the Google search results page. From here, you'll need to find the official link to wix.com, likely titled something like wix.com, Website Builder. Create a free website in minutes. Go ahead and click this link. It will direct you to the Wix website where you can either log in or sign up if you haven't already. After logging in, you should be at the main Wix dashboard interface. Now, once you're logged in, you'll be brought to the main screen where you can manage your sites. Look for a button or link that says Select and Edit Site. Click on this link. What this does is take you to a list of all the sites you have created or are managing under your Wix account. Here you will see thumbnails or a list view of your websites. Next, choose the site that you want to edit or manage by clicking on it. You'll be redirected to the specific dashboard for that site. This is your central hub for making changes and updates to your chosen website. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a navigation bar with various options. These might include sections like Settings, Analytics, Marketing Tools, and more. It's a good idea to familiarize yourself with these options as they are your gateway to managing different aspects of your site, from SEO settings to visual themes, and from blog posts to contact forms. To start using the Wix dashboard effectively, you might want to try clicking through some of these options to see what's available. For example, clicking on the Analytics option allows you to view your site's traffic statistics. Meanwhile, the Marketing Tools section can provide you with ways to boost your website's visibility. Remember, don't be afraid to explore and test out the various features that the dashboard offers. Being hands-on is one of the best ways to learn how to navigate the Wix dashboard. With these methods in mind, you should be well equipped to utilize the Wix dashboard efficiently for your website building and management needs. So go ahead. Take these first steps and watch your website making journey unfold with Wix. And that's it. Using these steps, you're well on your way to mastering the Wix dashboard. Thanks for watching and happy website building.